unoccupied bed. Okay, so you change the linens with the patient on it. Why do you perform occupied bed? What are the case of our patient? Why you have to perform an occupied bed? Ano kailangan naagit ang patient sa bed?
Kailangan yung mga upang patient mo, madili ka din doon.
So, mga na-stroke, comatose, may mga fractures. These are some cases that we need to perform occupied bed. Okay? So, what? Pagtanggal natin yung patient.
Unoccupied bed.
So,
Unoccupied
yeah,
ni.
first step.
Unoccupied bed ba?
Unoccupied.
First step is check and review the patient's chart.
So, you know already have, why should we check the patient's chart? To know the patient's identity and the patient of the patient. Next.
Second is identify the patient, introduce self to the patient, and explain the procedure. Okay, go. Wait, kunyari, ano sa Chinita siguro. Okay.
Hirap.
Boss, okay.
Okay, so you explain,
I will change your bed, ma'am, and we will clean your bed.
nga yung mag-clean ng taog-linen. Nga mag-change ng taog-linen.
Kay, ako bang patient, pag-umang, di ba ma'am, kaya ako bang patient, usay malian, usay maugawan, di ba, dili po sila magka-rashes, ang magka-visible pain sila, back sa visible pain.
Okay, so we change the linens of the patient to promote good hygiene and prevent further infection. Okay, so dapat change na to ang linens. How often should you change the linens of the patient? As needed. As needed. Okay, kung kailangan i-change na. Okay, sige. So, you have explained the procedure to the patient, no? So, you gain the consent of the patient. Kung ang pasyente is comatose, who will you explain? Sa relative, sa watcher. Okay?
Sko kayo.
Very important that you gain the consent of the patient or the patient's immediate na guardian. Okay? After that, what's next?
Perform proper hand washing technique and wear PPE.
Okay, so perform hand washing and wear your gloves. Okay, next.
Assemble materials and equipment, arrange according to you.
So what are the materials? Back blanket.
Black blanket, check. Black blanket, check.
Okay.
Sunod.
Bottom
Check.
sheet. Bottom sheet.
Bottom check. Rubber check. Draw sheet check. Top sheet check. Lunch check.
Ano pa? Yellow trash can and hamper. Hamper. Yellow trash can. Next.
Bring equipment to the bedside near you.
Okay. Next.
Then provide privacy by closing the door, windows, and curtains.
Next.
Lock the wheel of the bed and adjust the height and lower side rails near you.
Okay, you lock the wheels of the bed. Lock the wheels of the bed para di mag-move ang bed. Then if there are side rails, you adjust the side rails of the bed to promote safety. Okay, next.
Check the linen for the patient's belongings. Check the linen for the
Check
patient's
nyo sa bed.
belongings.
Dapat yung mga gamit. So, ipadakrin na ninyo ang mga gamit.
Put it aside or indoors to the watcher.
Next.
Replace the stop sheet with bath blanket. Observe privacy.
Deep replace.
Ayun ka girl! Ikaw ka ron.
So, on Monday, ang ating RD is, surgical and occupied.
11. Loosens all.
Okay. Then, ano yun?
Loosen all sides of the bed.
Loosen. You untuck all the sides of the bed. Untuck.
Over naman siguro po ito.
Ay, grabe siya. Okay, next.
Position station comfortable at the opposite of the bed. Side rails up for safety.
So, mauna tayo dito. Diba? So, how do you position the patient, no? Ipataas ang kamay. Position the hand. Then the okay. Ano po ba? And that again. Open your hand.
Ang pingan dahil ni ma'am. Tarong. Tarong sa ka. From the start.
Ayun, ano ka nun?
Tapos ba? Ito ba?
Then adjust the pillow.
Pero mo yung patient set. Hindi katawa ba niya sa pagkakatawa ng
Paningot ko niya.
Then side rails up kung kayo lang mag-isa. Okay? So, ano lang ka-check?
Ha? Ano ka?
Sige. Ano sunod?
Makes the side of the bed near you. Roll the dirty linens towards.
So, you're wearing gloves na ha? Sige, roll. So, in rolling the draw sheet and the rubber sheet, dapat kayang din. Assuming daghan na siya gilid din na matulog ang side. So, pag ganyan. Okay?
Nagaon mo yung patient mo.
Ganyan na.
Ma'am, labi na ba patient mo?
Yan. Then what's next? What's next?
Unfold clean linen close to the patient's body. Place a rubber sheet and a draw sheet.
So, di ba you're wearing a gloves, then you held a dirty linen. So, you remove the gloves. Then, throw it in a yellow trash can for impact shoes. Bottom shoe. Always open at the center. Even sa foot part. Baliktad po. Baliktad ang bottom sheet. Okay, full reminder.
Tutulugan naman kaya. Wala ginaganahan ko. Kalman niya. Yung pinyo. Idiritso ka.
drill and moves the other side of the
Rubber
bed.
sheet na. Center. Center lang. Ato mo lang sa rubber sheet. Then, position the patient towards ear na towards. Wait lang, the pillow and pillowcase. Pillow and pillowcase. So when holding a clean linens, you have your gloves. When holding a dirty linens, you have to wear your gloves. Then position the patient. Pasupay mo sa supay. Then position the hands and the legs.
Nag-prepared ka, pagulat. Ako lang nga, hindi ko lang ma-reach 3. Gulong.
Dapat ibulat ka.
Ikaw na lang, ba't ha? Paano? Gamot ka? Sige, alpa.
Ang top sheet na
Nanaunsa, nakakita na ko.
Arrange the pillow. And remove the pillow. So you are already holding a, di ba, dirty linen. So mag-gloves ka na naman. Okay? So you need 2 sets of gloves for this hamper. Rubber sheet and draw sheet.
Ha?
Rubber sheet and draw sheet.
Isabay lang, ma'am.
Triangle. Then remove. Then the bottom sheet.
Ako daw may nigda mo, parang chan.
Okay, sige. Unroll the bottom sheet. Unroll the bottom sheet.
Chinita, nag-gloves na ka, Chinita.
Tagala ang gloves na.
Ay, saan man to, ma'am? Bugata pa siya tiha, oy.
Sige. Tuck the head part. Tuck the head part. Here. Tuck the head part. Then pull my head.
Yun, saan na yun?
Paano mag-binder?
Basa ka?
Then, tuck the sheet.
Nagbasa na mo sa Pwede pa lang.
Kamay ka rin dapat
Di ko gabot, ma'am.
Ayaw na yung binder din, halita ko lang. Hindi naman kaya ka.
Hindi siya mo kayo, ma'am.
Next, rubber sheet and draw sheet.
Lumay lagi.
Ano importante na ang pag-holding, even siya. Para hindi mo ma-short.
Gupa ang ano. Ay, gamay ang ano.
The next, arrange the, what's next? What's the next?
The
procedure.
Stocks and meter the bottom sheet, place the rubber sheet and draw sheet. Then reposition patient and his pillow at the center of the bed.
Reposition the patient and her pillow at the center of the bed.
Carry yung hanger.
Then position the patient on supine. Then after that,
Replaces bath blanket with top sheet.
you replace the top sheet to the back blanket with the top sheet.
Stocks and meters the top sheet.
I-start tayo mo kamotoy so. Ganang pasyente yung ba? Tulog na siya mo. Ay, so matabunan siya.
So, di ba nag-gloves siya kanina? Then, then i-remove mo siya. Wala ka ng gloves. Sige po. Oo.
Kurang lumus na yun. Ikaw mo naman ang pasyente. Uy, maano naman, dalawa na pasyente na. Parang Ma'am, open.
Close mo na, pasyente ka.
Sorry, good ma'am. Close mo na mo ah. Ay, isa na pantay boy.
Oh, di ba? Ito sa ito.
Di ba yun ito? Kaya na ka ma'am. Fresh na. Pesa.
Then next.
Balik ko to sugod na lang niya.
Position head of the bed and side rails.
Next.
Arrange furniture.
Arrange furnitures and then
Dispose soiled linen according to the hospital policy.
then
Remove
or
and
ang ninyo food part ninyo hindi half miter. Food part. Chop the food part then half miter.
Ha? Ha?
Half the food part then half miter.
Zero.
Ano? Food part.
Stop, batak! Really stop!
Ano ba ikaw? Tigyan na parang. Ay, gusto. Demo, manigay. Demo, may final.
Tanawa lang di mo bottom sheet ni Shell o wala pa nagtakita.
Ma'am, dili gani siya. Ano, ma'am?
May taas kayo din kay Michelle. Oh, taas din. Tanong ang fighter. Sino tanong ang fighter?
Wala sa ba? May-straight gani.
So, baligtad yung bottom sheet and top sheet.
So, dapat ma'am, kanil nasa lalo.
Half miter na Michelle.
Dili na isuksok, ma'am.
Ayaw na. Kanina draw ko siya pa yan.
Over naman sa lang sa patient.
Okay, so that is an occupied bed. Okay, occupied bed meaning ang patient naa sa bed while you do your bed breathing. Okay, so any questions on occupied bed before we move on to range of motion?
Ma'am, if ma'am, isa lang ang nurses, ma'am. So, ang pagpatakilid na itong ganun na, ma'am. Takilid lang dyan ang patient.
Oh, tapos sideways. Nice sideways para safety. So, let's move on to range of motion. Who will be the patient for range of motion?
Ikaw, Japon, natulugo naman ko.
Patient na range of motion. Who will read range of motion checklist?